How to permanently delete your Instagram account. Hi guys, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Just follow these steps carefully and make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. All right, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Now in Settings, right at the top under your account, you'll see Account Center. Tap on that. Once you're inside the Account Center, scroll down and go to Personal Details. Here at the bottom, you'll find Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and tap that. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Next, choose the Instagram account that you want to delete permanently. Once you've selected it, scroll down and tap on Delete Account. Now, before you move on, make sure to read the message on this page carefully. It explains what deleting your account actually means. Everything from your posts, messages, and followers will be gone for good. If you're sure, tap Continue. Instagram will now ask why you're deleting your account. Just pick any reason. You can scroll to the bottom and select something else if you don't want to get into details. Then tap Continue. At this point, you'll be asked to re-enter your Instagram password to confirm that it's really you. Once you do that, tap Continue again. Now your deletion request will be submitted, and that's how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Instagram usually keeps the account deactivated for a few days before deleting it permanently, in case you change your mind. If this video helped you out, feel free to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.